Here's a Pioneer 4K Smart Xumo TV. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is turn the TV on, and then go ahead and choose your language right away. I'm going to go with English here. Do you want to keep using voice guidance? It's basically that background sound that you keep hearing. If you want to turn it off, just go up here. No, turn it off. Will this TV be used for home or retail? It's going to be used for home. Click on OK. How do you want to connect to the internet? You can go Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or you can skip for now and do it later. For myself, I'm going to do it now. Let's go to Wi-Fi here. Let me go to my Wi-Fi network here. I'm going to go down right there, and I'm going to input my password. After you put your password in, just go down to done right there. Click on OK. Okay, your device is connected to the internet, but before you can get online, you need to install the latest update and create or sign into a Xumo TV account, which is optional. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on continue here. Privacy policy, go ahead and read through that. If you agree, go ahead and click on next. Now it says to activate your device, scan the QR code below. From here, you'll enter activation code below or create or sign in to your Xumo TV account. This code refreshes every 9 minutes. So we can scan the QR code, or you can go directly to that website on your phone, browser, or whatnot, the www.xumo.com/activate. For myself, I'm just going to go ahead and scan that QR code. Let me bring up my camera here, and let me grab that QR code. And it's going to take me to the Xumo website here. And I'm going to enter in that code down there, 167216. I agree. And then I'm going to tap on continue right there. Okay, so now it says finish creating your Xumo TV account. Create a Xumo TV account online to add payment method, unlock special offers like free trials and more. So this part is up to you. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip this account creation. And I can always create it later on after I'm finished setup as well. Okay, you're activated. You can read through that. We're going to tap on continue. Select apps you use. You can do this now, or you can do it after setup and all that. But let me go ahead and I do have some of these subscriptions here, and I have Prime Video. So those are what I have here. I'm good with that. You can always download others later on as well. Select things you enjoy watching. You can go ahead and click whatever you want. For myself, I'm just going to go ahead and skip for now. Add movies and shows to your list. You can look through that, choose whatever you want. For myself, I'm going to go down to skip for now. Choose your time zone. So let me press over. Let me go to Pacific time here, right there for myself. I'm in Los Angeles. Name your device. I'll just keep mine in living room. Click on OK. Would you like to wake your TV with media casting? Go ahead and read through that. That's optional. Okay. For myself, I'm going to go to no, keep it off. You can always turn it on later if you wish as well. This is where you can go ahead and connect your devices now, or you can do it later. So if you have a gaming console or streaming device or DVD player, you can hook that up now or do it later. For myself, I'm going to skip for now. If you have an antenna, go ahead and plug it in now, or you can plug it in later. For me, I'm going to skip for now. I don't even use an antenna, at least not for now. Time to start exploring, meet your new TV. Click on OK. Looks like we're all set up. Also, this TV here, I didn't know, but it also has AirPlay on here as well. So you can AirPlay, or basically screen mirror your iPhones and iPads and whatnot right to the TV. Anyway, there you go. We're all set up here. And then for myself, I just have to go through like Netflix, my Disney Plus, and sign in because I have a subscription for those already. So, and there you guys go. Questions or issues, comment below. Good luck, guys.